a Minecraft working vending machine. Works 100%. I'll just do vending because I don't know how to spell machine. Okay. Let's find flat, please. Right here. Okay. So what you're gonna want to do is make an X. Or non-X. Not really an X, but Trevin, turn off the TV, please.
Yep. No.
Turn it off. You're not watching it.
It's here.
Please turn it off because I'm recording. And then you're gonna want to get a cactus. Place it in the middle. Then you're gonna want to get water. Torch. And then you're gonna want to do this. Then with your stone or whatever block you're gonna use, I'm gonna use iron this time. Then I wanna go like this. You do not. Yeah. Hold on. I'm kind of. Oh yeah, then you're gonna want to make a roof. Then you're gonna want to go like that. Then you're gonna want to do this. And then there you got like a little box like this. Then you're gonna want to break this block, place water there, use whatever material that you've been using. You don't need to do you don't need to do you don't need to put like this iron around the hole, but it's a lot easier because you're gonna see why. But spawn whatever you're gonna want inside here. Then kill them all. If you want a bunch, just keep placing it. Okay, then here's what you're gonna want to do. You don't. Did I just build this wrong? Oh, okay. Scared me. So then you're gonna want to get any colored fence gate. I like this color. Place it there, and then you're gonna want to get either sand or gravel. I'm gonna use sand. You don't have to do this. Sorry. But I like to do this. Payment. Sand or collection bin. Then you're gonna want to do that. Sand or gravel you put inside this hole because look, sand or gravel that falls. Gonna want to place it in there and then open this. And then boom, you have your own vending machine. Nice. And then the way that you're gonna wanna replace this is go like that. Dig down until you see the water there. Then come over here. Break this. Break whatever you placed here. Replace your cactus. Replace that. Come over here. Put that. Place your torch. And then, whoops. I was wondering, will it work like that? Let's see. Oh, it does. Nice. Yeah, but don't do it this way because then you're gonna have to fill up more. And then it's gonna be a pain. So, if you guys are wondering the way this works, is practically the sand is going and breaking that like that, so then that happens, and the water around the cactus goes into the center when the cactus breaks, and then breaks the torch, which allows the sand. Breaks the torch, which allows, which allows this hole for water to get in, right here, and then the water goes down there. The person who I saw do this on YouTube, I don't know if he made this up because it kind of does seem like something really big for a kid like him. But yeah, so if you guys like this, please like, and I'll do one more round of this. I really like it. It's, if you were like a pro, hold on, let's just, since you guys haven't seen the gravel, let's do some gravel. Open that, place your gravel. And boom, your very own fully working vending machine. If you guys like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Okay.